It was seamless, easy transaction, very helpful, very willing to make the transaction happen, anything that we needed to do. No hassle, no stress. If home buying was like this for everybody, I think it would be super easy.
Well, it was so easy,
Yes.
painless. You were very understanding. Literacy was 100%. I did not have any confusion from
Everything
day
went by
one
smoothly.
till this day. It's really been a pleasure working with you. I recommend it to anyone.
I'm glad to be able to get away as a single mom from a house that I could not keep up with on my own. It is a very easy, quick, reliable process.
This has been a very straightforward experience. I was informed every step of the way what we needed to do to make this deal happen, and I'm glad we were able to get it done.
Oh, everything was quick and easy. We did the whole process in less than 2 weeks.
Pretty easy and painless. I thought it was going to be a process to try to get it done, but it wasn't.
And how fast did we close?
Pretty fast, in like maybe a week and a half.
Yeah, so eight days to close.
The purchase with Steve was awesome, was fast. The staff was, the bedside manager was awesome. I mean, very, very quick. I would refer Steve to just like anybody that's willing to sell their property as is, or however you want to sell it. If Steve, Louisiana home buyers, please go.